Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel. If you're a photographer looking to boost your business, today's video is just for you. I'm going to show you how to create simple and effective marketing materials using Canva. Whether you need business cards, brochures, or social media graphics, I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's get started. Create a simple business card. First, let's design a business card. In Canva, search for Business Card and pick a clean, simple template. Add your name, contact info, and website. Include one of your favorite photos to make it personal and memorable. Keep it straightforward. This is your first impression, so make it count. Design a quick portfolio brochure. Next, let's make a quick portfolio brochure. Search for Brochure in Canva and select a template that suits your style. Add your best photos and a few lines about your services. This is a great way to showcase your work and let potential clients know what you can do. Don't forget to include your contact details. Make easy social media graphics. Social media is key for photographers. Canva makes it super easy to create eye-catching graphics. Choose a template for Instagram, Facebook, or any platform you use. Add your photos and a short message. Maybe promote a special offer or share a recent shoot. Keep your branding consistent, and you're good to go. Design a flyer or poster. For local promotions, let's design a quick flyer or poster. Search for Photography Flyer in Canva and choose a template. Add a bold headline, your best photos, and some key info about your services or special deals. Print them out or share them online. It's a simple way to reach more people. Final check. Before you wrap up, make sure all your designs look consistent. Your colors, fonts, and logo should match across all materials. This helps people recognize your brand. Once everything looks good, download your designs and start using them to promote your photography business. And that's it. Creating marketing materials in Canva is super easy and effective for photographers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.